All right, people, I found like the ultimate gravel parking lot. What a great place to test. See? The tires, the traction, torque, the pull, you know? I can carve. Got nice actual comfort, believe it or not. I can turn pretty easy. It's definitely pulling me through. This is some pretty heavy gravel here, people. I don't want to push my luck. But yeah, look at that. It's pretty impressive, people. Yeah. So it's not only a grass beast, it's a freaking gravel beast. Dang. All right. We're looking at a multi-terrain, foldable, fat tire e-bike. Okay. Bam. Okay. We're meandering. And granted, we're going slow, but we've got traction. Got some nice traction. Okay. Now we're going 11 miles an hour. And we've still got some traction. This is pretty loose gravel here, you know? I'm actually carving pretty nicely. Okay, this is really freaking loose. Am I doing all right? Yeah, so far. Not bad, look at that. Wow. Yeah. Not only is it handling the bumps, but it's handling the, you know, the stability and the carving and the grip really well. Isn't that something? Wow. Nice. Color me impressed. Dirt, a little loose gravel, if you will. And we're rocking. Look at this guy. He has no freaking idea I'm here. Most people have no idea that you're here. It's really bizarre. I mean, clearly I don't want to hurt anybody, but it's like, I don't know. I think you pay attention. Everybody wears their freaking headphones, and they have no idea that people are even here. Anyway, carving capabilities. Pretty slick. Got some definite traction, you know? No problem. Yeah. These tires really do you right. So there you have it. The Aventon Sinch. Liking the bike. Liking her a lot. This thing goes through grass pretty freaking easy, people. Like, it's like nothing. It's like riding on a hard-packed trail, you know? It just pulls you through. You got nice carving capabilities with these nice tendas, you know? And it's just a seamless transition from concrete to dirt to grass. You know, I'm doing all this in pedal assist too, you know? I'm not even breathing hard, you know? So, pulls you through the grass real nice, like. Which I appreciate, and I think, you know, a lot of it's the motor, but also a lot of it's the tires. Trust me on that. I've ridden on so many different tires, and these Kendas, big double thumbs up on the Kendas. Kenda Crusades, great freaking tires. All right.
But I don't want to go.
Oh, I thought that lady was talking about it. We're gonna keep doing our grass assault, right? Look at this. A lot of grass, people. A lot of grass. All right. Still doing grass. Yeah. Comfy cozy on the grass. Good pull. Good traction. You know? Yeah, this thing's a grass cruiser, people. Grass all day long, all day long.